Welcome back to NEXTED by Nexaspaces. In this episode of Module 5, IoT Communication and Networking, we'll be learning how to set up Wi-Fi on the ESP32. Whether you're building a smart home gadget, an IoT sensor, or just experimenting, connecting your ESP32 to Wi-Fi is the first step to getting it talking to the internet. So grab your ESP32 board, your USB cable, and let's dive in. The ESP32 is more than just a microcontroller, it's a complete system on chip with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, compatible with 802.11b/g/n standards. This means you can use it as a station, STA, connecting to a router like your phone or laptop does. An access point, AP, creating its own Wi-Fi network for other devices to connect to. Both at the same time in AP plus STA mode. Today, we'll focus on the most common setup, STA mode, where the ESP32 connects to your home or office Wi-Fi to send and receive data over the internet. Before we write any code, let's set up our development environment. You'll need Arduino IDE installed on your computer. ESP32 board package added to Arduino IDE via the board's manager. A micro USB cable. Your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. To install the ESP32 board package in Arduino IDE, go to File Preferences. Under Additional Board Manager URLs, add https://dl.espressif.com/dl/package_esp32_index.json. Go to Tools Board Manager, search for ESP32, and install it. Now let's write the code to connect ESP32 to Wi-Fi in STA mode. We'll use the Wi-Fi.h library which comes pre-installed with the ESP32 board package. Here's the basic structure. This code tries to connect to your Wi-Fi network and keeps printing dots until it's successful. Once connected, it shows your ESP32's IP address on the serial monitor. Let's test our setup. Connect your ESP32 to your computer. Select the right board and port in Arduino IDE. Click Upload. Open serial monitor at 115,200 baud rate. If everything is correct, you should see connecting to Wi-Fi, followed by Wi-Fi connected, and your IP address. Sometimes, things don't work the first time. Here are some common fixes. Wrong SSID or password, double-check spelling and capitalization. 2.4 GHz only, ESP32 doesn't support 5 GHz networks. Weak signal, move ESP32 closer to the router. Firewall issues, some routers block unknown devices. You can also use Wi-Fi.status to debug connection states like WL_connected, connected. WL_idle_status, waiting to connect. WL_disconnected, lost connection. Once you've connected to Wi-Fi, the possibilities are endless. You can send data to cloud platforms like ThingSpeak or BLYNK. Host a simple web server on your ESP32. Fetch weather data from APIs. In our upcoming episodes, we'll use this connection to publish IoT sensor data to the cloud using protocols like MQTT and HTTP. And that's how you set up Wi-Fi on the ESP32. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Nexaspaces for more IoT lessons, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next module. Until then, keep experimenting, keep learning,